Do you want to know how you can sign up in UniBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up or register on UniBet. Go ahead and open unibet.com on any browser and you can see register on the right hand side. Click on register. What you need to do next is select your country. After you select your country, click continue. Then what you need to do is scroll a bit down. If you want to deposit the money for your start of betting, you can do so, or else go ahead and click skip. Now the next step is to write down your first name, then write down your last name, your email address, and then write down a password. Make sure that you write a secured password. After that, you can click on So, which is over here, and check your password. Write down your date of birth and select your gender. Then click continue. You can see that you can write down your postcode or address here. Go ahead and write down your address and then select it. Then go ahead and select the address, and then you can see that you can accept these notifications, or you can just click I'm over and I accept this and click on select. So you can see that the next thing you need to do is write down your phone number. Go ahead and write down your phone number over here and click join. And there you go. You have just registered yourself for UniBet and you have signed up for your account. I hope this video about how you can sign up for UniBet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.